Samsung Galaxy S24 series is going to launch this month, and the South Korean tech giant is expected to bring a powerhouse in the form of S24 Ultra with amazing AI capabilities. According to reports, pre-orders for these flagship smartphones are likely to start soon after the January 17th launch, and several pre-order perks have been leaked online by South Korean blogger Naver. As per information from a Naver blog post, Samsung plans to enhance the storage capacity for all pre-ordered Galaxy S24 units. This means that individuals who have purchased the 512GB version of the smartphone will be upgraded to receive the 1TB storage variant of the same device. Furthermore, early pre-order incentives are rumored to encompass discounted coupons for the Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Buds FE. As per Sam Mobile, the exact discount or the version of the Galaxy Watch on the offer hasn't been revealed yet. For the past 2 years, Samsung has been offering Galaxy Watch 4 series smartwatches in some regions. While the Naver blog post didn't provide specific details, it hinted that Samsung intends to provide discounts on the purchase of Galaxy Buds FE and the Galaxy Watch alongside pre-orders for the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Additionally, recent leaks on X, formerly Twitter, have unveiled fascinating insights into the forthcoming flagship smartphones within the Galaxy S24 lineup. The Generative Edit tool is one of the notable features included in the leaked marketing materials. Samsung describes it as a tool for easily removing undesired components from images, and it immediately draws comparisons to Google's Magic Eraser feature, which was launched in the Pixel 8 series. The Magic Eraser, which is famed for its ability to remove unpleasant things from images, requires a Google Images backup as well as an online connection. Coming to the specifications, as per the information shared by the leaker, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might get an upgrade with 4K video recording at 120 FPS. Although the mode is currently undergoing testing, there is no guarantee that it will be included in the final release. The Galaxy S23 Ultra supports 8K and 4K video recording, but they're capped at 30 FPS and 60 FPS respectively. Reports in the past have also revealed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will ditch its 10x telephoto lens for a 5x lens. Meanwhile, Walmart has accidentally listed the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. The listing shows the handset in an onyx black shade with 12GB of RAM. The screenshot of the e-commerce listing shared by Phone Arena reveals AI-powered features of the handset, live translate, generative edit, and nightography. The Walmart listing suggests a 6.7-inch display for the Galaxy S24 Plus. This is an upgrade over the 6.6-inch screen on the Galaxy S23 Plus. It is seen with a 4,900 milliampere battery. What do you guys think of these leaks? Do you think these rumors will turn out to be true? Or will Samsung surprise everyone with something new out of the box? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.